Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make this paper t-shirt for your dad out of paper, which is very easy to make. So first we get an A4 paper. It can be a card or anything. You can also have it colored. So you fold it in half like this, then you open it and fold this side to the middle where the line is. And you do the same to the other side. Here. Then you get this side, this opening side, and you fold it like this until here, the pointy side, the edge, so that it comes out here, and the same to the other side. Yep. And then you turn it around. You turn it around this side like that. You flip it over, and then you fold this side approximately like 2 centimeters. Or you can do it even further. Then you turn it around, and you take the corner and you fold it until the line that we made. And then the other one. Then you take this side and you fold it to this side, to the side that we just did. And you can put this side under these sleeves, and then you fold this back side. And your t-shirt is done, and you can also decorate it however you want. Like I put these lines, so I just cut it across, and then you made a square, and you fold it in half if you want to make 4, because that's how you do it. And then you fold it in half again so that there's quarters. And you cut out a little line. And then the same to the other side. Here. So our 4 parts are done, and now we can just stick them on here. You can do 3, or you can just squish them together. So, and then you can just draw anything you can. And then afterwards, if you want to open it, like there's a message inside, you open it, and then you'll see this. You can draw whatever you want here, and you can also make a heart or anything for your dad, and then put it inside this pocket. So guys, our t-shirt gift for our dad is done, and it was very easy and simple to make and very quick. So guys, bye bye, see you next time.